In today's digital first world, content is created, shared, and consumed at an unprecedented scale. But with that convenience comes a major problem. Protecting these digital assets has become increasingly difficult. Creators and organizations constantly face unauthorized use, piracy, and content leaks. And the process of identifying violations, enforcing ownership, is often slow, manual, and stressful. So that's where we come in. Introducing Kinetic Armor, a real-time digital asset protection system designed to detect, track, and enforce ownership across the web. By combining perceptual hashing, intelligent threat detection, and AI-powered enforcement, Kinetic Armor transforms what used to take weeks of legal effort into a fast, automated, and seamless process. So let's jump into the dashboard right now. And here we can see the list of active radar strikes. Before we get into this, we'll go to reverse search so we can see how our system detects an image being used. So we'll just take an image from the web. Just take, yeah. So let's just Google Ronaldo and take like a small portion of this image. Now we'll just put this cropped image into this reverse search. Our system uses perceptual hashing to identify stolen media, even if it's been edited, cropped, or modified. So we are going to test this, and we can see how using the cropped image, we can see where similar images has been used. So here we can see that the image we have uploaded along with what similar images we have found on the web. So we can issue strikes from here itself if we require. This is very useful in today's day and age to verify where our content can be used without our permission. Okay, so now let's go back into the protection cycle and get back to active strikes. Now let us see how Kinetic Armor actually protects an asset from start to finish. First, we register an original asset. The system converts it into a mathematical fingerprint. So we head to the vault to proceed with the registration. Unique hash key. So as we can see for the previous registered assets, we can see each have a unique fingerprint. Right now, we are seeing the new digital asset being registered. Look more into, yes, here we can see that our digital asset has been properly registered in our vault. So now let us simulate a real wild strike. So we can see that the uploaded image, we have put it in our drive just to simulate an violation. Okay, so now when we go back into our Kinetic Armor, yeah, so here when we are seeing, it should the active strike, the radar basically checks the web for any unauthorized use of our digital asset and lets us know. This is done using the hash code. So as we can see, there's a live strike detected. So when we view the strike data, we can look more into it. Here we have our protected asset as well as the same infringement found of our digital asset which we had uploaded. So here we can see the Kinetic Armor can still detect it in real time and it alerts us with a notification. So let's investigate this. As we can see, we have our DMCA notice which we leave to the user to implement with a click. With a single click, the user can enforce their rights. Now let's move on to the analytic engine, which helps us prioritize threats based on severity and exposure. It helps us keep track of violations along with domains showcasing repeated violations, which is helpful especially with social media platforms. This mechanism helps us detect deepfakes, which is crucial in current times. The core detection engine and reverse search are fully operational on the live web data. The Active Strike tab currently showcases simulated data to demonstrate our automated alert and AI drafted DMCA workflow. And this is where Kinetic Armor truly stands out. Kinetic Armor from detection to enforcement in seconds.